Mocha, go get me a nappy upstairs. Go. Go. Get me a nappy.
What are you doing?
Good boy.
Watson, are you a good boy? Is Harry a good boy? Is Kiko a good boy? Is he a good boy? Why are you hugging him? Hi, Watson. So, if you could have the option to cuddle anyone, absolutely anyone, who would you pick to cuddle with? Can you understand me? Okay, who would you pick? You pick Kiko. Is Kiko your best friend?
Happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin. Good girl, Ma.
So you were laying on my pillows. Every day I tell you the same thing. Macho, don't lay on my pillows. Macho, you shouldn't lay on top of the bed when I leave. But what does Macho do? He lays on top of the pillows. Go to cage. Get inside. Open the door and get in. Open the door and get in cage. Now. Think about it, baby. I tell you the same thing every day.
For treats? You do? Okay. How does a gentleman sit, Polly? Can you show me how a gentleman sits? That's very good. Can you do a dance? Good job. Can you walk backwards? Can you walk forwards? Polly, what happens when you get COVID-19? That's right. Polly, people think you're very smart and they like your tricks. Do you want to show them some more of your tricks? How about, it's nice to meet you, Polly. It's very nice to meet you. Good boy. Can you jump high? Jump high. Good job. Can you lay down and roll over? Good job. Can you walk? Walk backwards, walk forwards. Good boy. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Mama? Good boy. All right, one for the road. Tell them one more time. What happens when you get the COVID-19? Oh, good job, baby.
Huh?
No eating duck food. Do you understand? Got it? Duck food is for ducks. You're a dog. Dogs don't eat duck food. Did you learn your lesson? Huh? Speak. Did you learn your lesson? Speak. What? You're not going to do it again, are you? Alright. You better not. Are you sorry? Are you sorry?
Louis,
Okay.
do your yoga. Do your yoga. Oh, Oh, they're a good boy. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Is this normal? Look at this. Is this normal? No way. What is she doing? I never know what she's doing in there. I never know. Look at those teeth.
에? 설마!